Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to export a vector in Figma. First, open the Figma software. Once it's open, select the vector that you want to export. Then, go to the right sidebar and scroll down to the bottom. You will see the export section. Click the plus icon there. Next, change the file type to SVG or PDF to save it as a vector. In Figma, there is no direct option for saving as a vector, so we need to select either SVG or PDF. After that, click on the three-dot icon to adjust the settings according to your needs. Once you have everything set, click on Preview to see your export, and then finally click the Export button. Choose a location where you want to save your file, and then click the Save button. Now you can see that we have successfully exported a vector in Figma. That's it for this tutorial on how to export a vector in Figma. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful and would like to learn more tips and tricks, please consider subscribing to the channel for more informative content. Your support means a lot.